Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about a higher standard. I know that last week we talked about increasing the volume, which is very important, but also you must increase your standard. You must aim to a higher standard. So basically, if your posts or interactions with your listeners were good, now it needs to be great. You need to be a collector of wows from your listeners. Wow. From your listeners, right? And that will only happen when you improve your standard, right? For example, see how any YouTuber improves their quality over time. Check their first video, for example, and the last one for comparison. Most of the time, you can clearly see an improvement of their standards. From visual improvement to better presentation skills, from, better material, whatever. But you can clearly see there is an improvement. So one easy way to improve anything is to make it more customizable for your listeners and audience and followers, right? Perhaps it's time to focus on a particular subject you have been collecting positive feedbacks. Perhaps you could develop further your own personal branding. There is always a way to do it better. And you should not set for a particular standard, but keep always improving. That's very crucial. We talked about adding hashtags, for example, before. If you don't know which episode is that, just go back and listen to all the episodes of the Now You Know podcast. So, can you improve that? Can you improve hashtags? Maybe it's just a little thing you need to improve, but your standards is going to go higher with that improvements, right? So make those hashtags even more memorable. Think always on ways you can improve your post. That's, content is king, right? So if you can improve your post, of course, your presence online will grow as well. So that's the things you should keep in mind. A higher standard. Not only increasing the volume, but also increase your standard. Okay? So as action, this is one straightforward action actually. Nothing difficult here. So just maybe imagine for a second if you could go back in time, for example. Okay, so it's hard to cut that, but so going back in time and improve your posts. What would you change or make it better? So from now on, use those improvements you thought out and use it going forward, right? So basically, that's the exercise you gotta do it. But again, the aim, the goal is a higher standard. You can do it yourself by, trying to collect those wows from your listeners with your posts or, hashtags, whatever it is. But also you can look for other people's, what they are posting and try to replicated that standard. But again, this is a personal level of standards. Everyone has a different level, right? So you don't try to copy, but you're trying to get guided, and you try to get it some inspiration to keep that higher standard. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.